Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mystic Magic again. So today I will share my mini purple.com haul. So before I start my video, I request you to all please subscribe my channel and please don't forget to hit the bell icon next to it so that you will always get notified when I upload any video and never miss it. So without further delay, let's get started. So this is my first shopping from purple.com and I'm quite impressed with packaging and product at so affordable price. Purple.com is also a beauty shopping site like Nykaa where you can buy cosmetic products, hair products and skincare based on your persona. So let's see what I get from purple.com. The first product which I get from purple.com is a Stay Quirky Badass Eyeliner, and the shade which I bought is a Badass Blue number 2. It also available in different shades like green, white, silver, black, golden, red, etc. So the price of this product is 175, but I got discount in this product, so I get this product at rupees 112 rupees. The quantity of this product is 5 ml and the shelf life of this product is 2 years from the manufacturer. The next product which I got is a Stay Quirky I Love You Too Kajal, and it says that it is water resistant, smudge proof, dermatologically tested, and the quantity which I get in this product is 0.35 gram, and the price of this product is 199 rupees, but I also get discount on this product and I bought this product as 128 rupees. So the shelf life of this product is 3 years. The next product which I bought is a Stay Quirky Badass Matte Lipstick, and the shade which I bought is a Want to Get Messy number 24. So the quantity of this product is 4.2 gram and the price of this product is 275, but I bought this at rupees 165. So the shelf life of this product is 2 years from manufacturing. So the next product which I bought is a NY Bay Matte Lipstick. I bought this lipstick in 2 shades. The first shade is From Upper East Side 1 and the second shade is From Across Manhattan Bridge 28, and this one is a pretty pink color and this one is a red maroonish type of color, and the quantity of this product is 4.2 gram as you can see here, and the price of this product is 125, and I didn't get any discount in these two lipstick, so I bought this at 125 rupees only. So the next product which I bought is a Stay Quirky nail polish, and the shade number is The Girl in Brown 135, and it is a pretty brown color, and the quantity of this product is 6 ml and the price of this product is 88 rupees, but I bought this at rupees 59 rupees, and the shelf life of this product is 36 months from packaging. So overall I am quite happy and impressed by purple.com. My products came in this box with nicely packed with this bubble wrap, and one thing which I like about purple.com that it also wrapped the outer package with this hard kind of plastic which none other site will do. I shop from many sites like Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart, etc., but I never get my box wrapped like this. It's make your product so secure. So I will give 5 out of 5 to this site, and I will recommend all to please shop once from purple.com and you will not regret it. You will get all product at so much discount and affordable price that you will love it. So hope you like my minipurple.com haul, and if you like my video, please like, subscribe, share and comment. And if you have any doubt and question regarding this product, please comment below. I will sure answer your comment. So thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye, take care.